you're currently using restream.io to go live on YouTube and you're tired of watermark, you're tired of paying monthly if you're using the paid version, you're tired of network glitch and all of that, then this video is definitely for you. It's going to be changing how you restream. It's going to be changing, in fact, a lot for you about how you show up on YouTube. This is the reason why I said buy to restream, because I found a better alternative that gave me the result that I want. I used Restream for a while on my second channel, and I can tell you for free that Restream, even though it's a safe platform, it always comes with its own disadvantages, right? And in today's video, I will sharing with you why I will no longer recommend Restream for you, but rather will recommend something different. So you need to pay attention to the video, watch to the end in order for you to be able to understand my point, you'll be able to understand what you should do and how to do it well. Now, disadvantages of using Restream, the very first one is it gives you a kind of audience that you're not ready for. Right, it exposes you to an audience that is really broad, especially Indians. I don't know why. I don't know why Restream they always push your content to Indians, but that's audience. If you really know what you're here on YouTube for, I'm very certain that you don't want to just attract only Indians. You want to attract a large range of of other countries, but Restream will push your content to mostly Indians, people in Pakistan, and countries like that. Now, the second thing about Restream that I don't really like is the fact that during the live stream, for whatever reasons, you might have the network issues, and then you keep struggling to connect. And it will take for my own experience. There were days when I spent almost 1 hour trying to connect my restream just because my network is either poor or Google is not responding as it's supposed to respond. I keep struggling and struggling and struggling, and that can be really frustrating. Some days I just abandon it and not do it at all. Now, the third thing about Restream is the fact that it comes with watermark, especially if you're not using the paid version. When you upload the video, you see the restream, like it comes with the watermark. Now, the other thing is that for restream, right, when you use restream, the audience you get from there, the subscribers you get from there, they might never get to watch your long form content. They might not even get to engage on your short form content. They might never show up again, right? They are more like an active audience that is not really active. That's because whatever it is that you were restreaming, they were interested in that, but in real time, they don't really have interest in that. So when you post other contents that further explain whatever it is that you put out there on restream, they're not interested in it, so they won't come back. They will not come back to watch those videos. So what's the essence? What's the use? Now I've been able to experiment, and I can tell you that restream it works, so it's good. Like it's a bad thing? No, it's not bad. But if you're a beginner and you're seeking to grow on YouTube organically, then you should probably not even try restream. Instead of restreaming, there are other alternatives that are natural, that are native to YouTube. And I'm going to be suggesting. The very first one is going live, right? Like the main thing, going live, but using three alternatives. The very first one is using YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. You can go live using YouTube Studio. Let's say you're using a laptop. Yes, if you're using a laptop, you can go live even with 0 subscribers. You heard me right. You can go live using your laptop with 0 subscribers, even using your phone, but you have to go to the YouTube desktop site, right? You go to Google, search for YouTube desktop site, and go live from the YouTube studio. Now, the second option is using OBS Studio, right? You can use OBS Studio to go live as well on YouTube. Now, the third one, which I will highly recommend, is going live from the YouTube app using your mobile phone. So long as you have up to 50 subscribers, right? So you can go live using your mobile phone. And this one works so well because YouTube gets to push out this your content, this your live stream now as a short form content while you are live. It pushes out some parts of it as a short form content to the YouTube audience, and people can get to interact and join your live stream just by going through their short feeds. Your video appears there and is interactive and is engaging or entertaining, they can get to join your live stream, right? So these are like the three major ways that I would recommend that you use to um, do your live stream. Rather than using Restream or StreamYard, use your normal YouTube app, use the normal YouTube app using your mobile phone and just go live. The results I have seen in the past few days is the reason why I'm recommending this. It's not that I didn't know before, but come on, when you experience something and then it gives you the exact result that you want, trust me, you will not want to hold back. You will not want to go back to something that you tried before and it didn't really give you the result. I have tried this now and I can tell you again and again that live stream is like one of the major ways to get monetized on YouTube. I will tell you for free. Another thing is when you make when you do a live stream, right? And the live stream lasts for maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. That equals long watch hours actually. So let's say you have 10 persons join your live stream and they watch for 1 full hour. It simply means that you have 10 times 1. That's you have 10 watch hours from that live stream. Let's assume that they were up to 20. It simply means that you have 20 watch hours from that live stream. Now, let's say you have 100 persons watching and they watch for 1 hour, just 1 hour. It simply means that you have 100 watch hours from that one live stream. But you need to ensure that you're doing something that's engaging, that is entertaining, that people can stay and watch, right? People can stay and watch. I have talked in my past videos about silent live stream, which I applied. Yes, I applied silent live stream. It worked for me. But you need to understand how to apply silent live stream on your videos, how to do silent live stream. If you need to do it, you need to do it well to avoid copyright claim or copyright strike or doing something that is against YouTube policy and guideline. This video up here explain that in details. So you can go ahead and click on that video in order for you to be able to understand how to get yours done. If you must use Restream, then you should be ready to, face the mixed multitude that is going to be given to you. I will repeat this. Restream is not bad, but currently, rather than recommend Restream, I'll go ahead and recommend YouTube Studio or using your mobile phone to go live on YouTube or using the OBS, right? Any of this works very well and they will give you the results that you are looking for. There's no point going around in circles when you can just use your normal YouTube studio to get what you want or using your normal YouTube live stream to get what you want. Now you can decide to do a silent live stream, you can decide to show your face, you can decide to just show behind the scene, anything you decide to do. The truth is you're going to get more watch hours doing that other than just restreaming and getting a multitude of persons. I hope you get my point. Now, if you also want to restream and you really want to restream, I have videos that you can watch that you can sign on the guide. You see this click showing up here, click it to watch the video on how to restream. And if you want to do a silent live stream, this one showing up here should be the one you should click. Watch how to do a silent live stream and how to do it correctly to avoid making any mistakes. I'm hoping that you got some value from this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, ask me any question in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.